Hey, let me show you the best equalizer preset for the Redmi Buds 8 Lite. And now you have to just go for audio effects, go for the custom one, and here we go. As you can see, you can find a lot of frequencies. So what I can recommend you to set for 62, just go for the +2, 125, go for -4, 250, go for -3, 500, go for -1, 1K stay on 0, 2K go with +2, 4K go with +3. In the 8K you have to go for +1, 12K go -1, and 16K go with -2. And what it does, basically it will improve the balance sound. So you can hear voices a little bit better. You will hit up the bass a little bit, but it will be not that muffled because we just lower 125 and 250. So in my opinion, in my personal opinion, it sounds really good with this preset. Of course, it also depends on the music type that you are listening, but in the most cases you will be satisfied with this one. So you can tell me what you think about this one, and if you have some better presets, you can leave in the comments, so I will pin this to actually help someone else to find their best settings. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.